Okay, today we're gonna solve this limit. Oh my god. So this is the limit from x approaching 0 of a function 1 over x. So let's just plug it in. Sure? Yes. If you plug this in, this would be 1 over x, which is 0. And this would be just undefined, right? Very easy. Or just right. Undefined. Yeah, I'm alright. Undefined. Here we go. We are done. Very easy, right? Because like something divided by 0 is undefined. That's it. That's for this, and see you guys in the next video. Psych. You think that video was like what? 1 minute? No. It's actually not undefined. If I ask you 1 divided by 0 is, that's undefined. But you're doing taking limit, it's not undefined. You gotta do more work. So you plug in 0 here, it doesn't work, right? Very well. So let's graph this out, shall we? Okay, let's graph this out. So this is the graph of 1 over x. I drew that way too ugly. So as you see, this is the vertical asymptote at x equal to 0. So the vertical asymptote is when the function never touches the graph, the y-axis. So as you see, you plug in 0 here, this doesn't approach any number. So basically, this does not exist because you take limit. You know what? Let's do this. Let's take the 0 from the left side. Sure? So this is the limit from the left side. So 0 to the minus. Technically that's a minus, but so this is from the left side. So we got to take both sides if like the limit doesn't work out happily. Now if the answer does not match, then it'll be does not exist. So you take from the left side, so from right here. So I'm right here. As you see, you keep approaching from the left side. You see it going down. And it going down to minus infinity. Not 0. Okay? Because you see, it keep going down. Don't touch the graph though, as you can see. So this is minus infinity. For that, simple. Let's take from the right side. Well, it's approaching from the right, so as it goes to the left side, you see it shoot upward to positive infinity. Never reach 0, remember that. Okay? So as you can see, you take both sides of the limit. This does just not match. So we say this is equal to D and E. Very simple. Just kidding. Erase a minus. The equal sign. Oh, remember. Because what is D and E? Does not exist. And you're gonna say it's equal to does not exist. So if something does not exist, why would you say it's equal to? Remember from the last video I just showed you? Yeah, it's pretty dumb. So this limit, it just does not exist. Or you can tell because this graph never touches the graph. So let me give you guys an example. So this is D and E. So this limit, it does not exist. So I'm gonna write one quadrant for this. So this is the graph. And the vertical asymptote is at x equals 0. As you see. So this never touches the graph. But let's say we pick a point right here. Let's say this is 1. Now, if your limit approaching 1, and this basically equal to 1. Very simple, right? Just plug 1 here, 1 and 1 and 1. Or you do the xy table. So the function is equal to 1 over x. Plug 1 in here, it'd be 1. That's it. So basically, approach, you see it right here, just 1. Technically, it's not really 1 right here. It's kind of dumb if I write 1 because, I could probably go right here, so like it can make more sense. Let's write right here. I'm about to write right here 2, but I just want to write the number 1. But let's write number 1 right here. Okay. So right here, this is 1. So as the limit approach 1, it getting closer and closer to 2. So basically, if x approaching 1, then the limit will be 1. Okay, so you take the limit as x approaching 1, it's equal to 1. Right? Now, if you do this, to prove that it's actually equal to 1, now, take from the right side. So as you see, as more it get to the right side, it going up, go closer to 1. So this basically approaching 1. From the left side, so you see, it getting closer. So as you see, it's rise like this. I mean, it go down, but it's approaching 1. So this 2 or this 2 are matched. So basically, this limit is approaching 1. Good. But what if from 0? What do you approach? Well, you take right here, it never approach anything, because as you see, the graph never touch it. So if 1 right here, this is going to be put this point. If 0 right here, pick a point in this graph. There's no point, right? No point, so it's D and E.